She has seen the horror of hell. She has endured the darkness of time. It made her hard. She now walks with the fearlessness of the wolf. She lives with the bravery of a lion and acts with the fearlessness of the dragon.
Hey guys, this is Soul Virus back again.
We are back with our small tribute to the women of our society.
Guys, woman is a person who always stand at her back in any kind of situation.
She may be in the role of a daughter, a mother, a wife, or a friend. She is always there.
Guys, woman is the one who sacrificed almost everything for us, even her last meal.
And in return, she don't expect anything from us.
So guys, this time we went on the streets and asked women around that what do they expect from the society.
Or what message they want to convey to the society. Okay, so what's the best thing about being a woman?
It itself is the best thing. Woman नाम ही काफी है.
Being a woman, I expect that there should be freedom for us to wear whatever we like and do whatever we like without any judgment.
The best thing about being a woman, according to me, is we have many options to wear. We can put makeup. You know, we can look beautiful, and you guys only wear jeans and one T-shirt, and you know, we girls are beautiful. The best thing is this.
For me, women are the top of the world because I am a single mother. I know what मैं इनके लिए क्या स्टैंड करती हूँ. I know कि मैं इनके लिए क्या स्टैंड कर रही हूँ और मैं अकेला सब कुछ कर रही हूँ, तो मेरे लिए औरतें सब कुछ कर सकती हैं.
Respect for you, ma'am.
Thank you.
We want freedom, equality. That's and बस बाकी हम ले लेते हैं.
I would say that getting these names for all the days, Women's Day, Father's Day, Men's Day, anything. I don't think giving names to a day doesn't really matter. Respect the person. It's being a man, woman, mother, father, कोई भी है. Just respect them, and every day will be their day.
When I treat female patients, they come with, they have problems. They are just painful problems they have. But there I feel because of dominance of male power, patriarchy in our society. So in that case, I feel that female are not open to all their treatments, to all their ailments, I must say. So I think they are not much open to their ailments. I just say, just be yourself and don't misuse that woman word any longer, because I have seen women misusing that. कि हम equality की बात करते हैं and still they behave as if they're not equal to men. So don't misuse it.
रिस्पेक्ट करें वुमेन्स की, क्योंकि आप ये ना समझें कि हम कम हैं. अगर आप आगे हैं तो हम भी आपके बराबर हैं, प्लीज़. और गर्ल्स चाइल्ड को प्लीज़ पैदा होने दें, क्योंकि वो नहीं होंगी तो आप लोग ना हो पाए. थैंक यू सो मच. हैप्पी वुमेन्स डे.
So guys, it's not an easy task to be a woman.
Women suffers all those pain, but still stand strong to face this mighty world.
It's very difficult to carry all those responsibilities on their back. Don't treat her different from us.
Treat her equal.
Don't treat her as an object.
Treat her as a person.
She is the most beautiful creation of God.
Don't you dare exploit her.
She is in every one of us.
So please respect her.
So, a happy Women's Day.
A happy Women's Day. We salute you for your immense contribution in our lives. Thank you.